Hello everyone, this is Tejas Budwal and Raman Bansal, and this is the demonstration of an Android application project GeoVolt, which takes its name from its two main applications of geotagging and EV charging station location and routing. First of all, we reach the login page. We click on sign up to create a new account. We'll enter our details, email, password, username, full name and phone number to register on the app. Click on the register button to register the account. It says account created, indicating that we are successfully signed up and that the user information has been added to the database. Now this is the view map activity. We'll now show you some of the features that we have implemented regarding to the map. We can see the map in different views. First of all, we have the normal map. Then we also have the satellite map, in which the map can be viewed in the satellite view. Next, we have the hybrid map view. Now we'll go back to the normal map. We can click on the button on the top right to redirect to the current location. In my case, this is IIT Patna. In case the map is rotated and we wish to realign it, we can click on the compass icon on the top left. The plus and minus buttons on the bottom right can be used for zooming in and out. Now, by clicking on the map, we can also add markers. We can save this location marker by clicking the plus button on the bottom left. It says that the location for that marker has been saved to the Firebase database. We can also search for locations. Using the search bar, I'll search for Paris and the application takes me there. Now by clicking the plus icon, I add the location to the database. Now let's head over to saved locations from the navigation menu. Here we'll be able to see both the locations that we've saved earlier. Let's go to Paris. Corresponding to this location, we can add a post. We'll add the name and description for the post and select an image. Now by clicking on post, that post gets added corresponding to the location marker on the map, and we get the message post uploaded. Let's add another one. As we can see, the previous post is visible to us. Add the name, description and image for the second one, and then we'll click on upload. It also gets uploaded. Now let's head back over to the marker to view our two posts. For all the posts, we upload the date, time, location, that is the latitude and longitude values, as well as the given post name and description can get displayed. This was the geotagging part. Now let's head over to the EV charger activity. I'll first show you the filter options we have. The user is able to select the radius within which they wish to search for the EV charging stations, their current battery percentage, and also their vehicle type. Let's select a radius of 8 kilometers, battery percentage of 65%, and a vehicle type as car. Close the filter options and head over to a location. Let's say we go to Mumbai. The user can now place a marker and then click on the charges button on the bottom left to locate nearby EV charging stations. 34 charging stations are found nearby to this location. Here we are considering all petrol stations to be having EV charging stations. Now the user can also route to any of these stations by clicking on them. The corresponding distance also gets displayed and the route is projected on the map. Here we use two APIs, namely the overpass API as well as the graph hopper API. First of all, we generate a query URL, and using the overpass API we are able to locate nearby charging stations within the specified radius. The graph hopper API is used to display the route of the user's marker from the user's marker to the selected charging station. We do this same thing for a different location, and by clicking on a station, the route for that station is generated. Now let's head over to the Pathfinder activity. Here the user can select start and end points to find a route between them through EV charging stations. Let us first select the start point. Let's say we choose on here. We can also search, so let's search for the destination point. Now upon clicking the charger button on the bottom left, The route gets displayed and we can see that the user is routed through one charging station based on their current battery percentage and by keeping a buffer when they reach their destination. The corresponding distance is also displayed. For this routing part, we have used the bidirectional A* search algorithm. We can see the start point as the red marker, the destination as the green one, and the charging station through which the user is routed is displayed as a blue marker. Finally, we have the user profile page where the details of the user are displayed, that is the email, full name, phone number and the username. Now let's log out of the application. We get back to the login page. Thank you.